Hey there, it's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. That's my blog. You can learn more about me, what I do, and get marketing tips and personal development stuff there as well. I do a lot of videos and blog quite often, so definitely check that out. Anyway, today what I want to talk about is how to make money without money. How do you make money without money? And I have to say that typically, I don't really like to tackle this subject because um, much of the time when you do a topic like this where it says free, no money, no cost, zero cost, with nothing, you usually attract people that are of that mindset. Like they are looking for freebies, they're looking for the lottery ticket, they're looking for something where uh, you don't have to do anything to get something. And unfortunately, that goes against every single law there is, period. So I'm going to tell you something, and you may not like what I have to say, but it is the God honest truth. Okay, so it's going to sting. I'm going to tell you this. It's going to sting, but it is the God honest truth. Okay, so primarily I work with people that want to make more money online from home or online, right? They want to work from the comfort of their home. They're looking to create more income, maybe a full-time income. Maybe they want to walk away from their job. And a lot of the people I get that come to me are looking for exactly that. They're looking for something that is free. They're looking for something that's very low cost. They're looking for something that's not going to require any work whatsoever. And here's the deal, okay? So if you want to make something without money, of course you could do it. It is absolutely possible. But here's the issue. The issue is, like I said at the very beginning of this video, most people that are attracted to this kind of message do not have the mindset, do not have the thought process, have not developed the habits, will not take the actions that are needed to be successful. So while there are many ways to go about earning an income without any money, what I suggest you do if you don't have any money, and I know this is not going to go over well, is you have to work on your mindset. You have to start developing success thoughts, taking success actions and creating those success habits. That is critical because I can give you a product, I can give you something for completely free, but if you don't have those success thoughts, if you don't take those success actions and you don't develop those success habits, it's not going to matter the cost, is what I'm saying, okay? So, what I recommend, one of the books I read and read and read again, and I listened to, and I studied, and I really digested, was Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Now, I'm going to make this really, really easy for you. It's not going to cost you a single dime. I'm going to put a blog post I put together with a video with this book. T. Harv Eker himself does the presentation, basically reading the book, The Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, and you can get that absolutely free. You just click the link right below. There's nothing to buy. Just check it out, because this book is responsible for changing things for me. One of the things I realized right away at the beginning was that I had a broke mindset. My money blueprint was set very low. I was doing things that was keeping me broke, that was keeping me stuck. I was thinking in a certain way, and that certain way was not good. It was coming from lack, not abundance. It's a very big difference. So definitely check out that book. Now, once you get your mind right, once you start thinking success thoughts, thoughts of abundance and prosperity, and there is more than enough, right? Not of lack, believing you can do this, then I can work with you. Then we can take you from, hey, you know what? If you don't have any money, okay, but you're broke, okay, you don't have any money, you're broke, but not broke minded. There's a clear distinction there. Broke, but not broke minded. Broke minded comes from a place of lack, comes from a place of no responsibility. Like, it's not my fault I'm where I'm at. It's everybody else and everything else's fault, right? It comes from that place. It comes from entitlement. It comes from that place. And that place will never, ever, ever, ever get you to where you want to go if you want to create success. If you want to have financial freedom, it will never, ever work for you. So you have to go back to developing your mindset. Now, once you've done that, once you've taken some time, and I'm telling you, you go through that book, it is going to sting if you are there, okay? If you are thinking that way, it is going to sting. I review that book every so often just because I want to stay on track. I want to make sure that my thoughts are success thoughts, thoughts of successful people, okay? Not unsuccessful people. So once you have that down, now I can work with you. Okay, so for example, some free ways to go about. One is ClickBank. You can go to ClickBank, completely free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can start marketing someone else's product. It's called affiliate marketing. Okay, there are some offers that are very dirt cheap. For example, I have an offer at $7 one time. $7 one time. Now, to be honest with you, if you cannot get $7, you shouldn't be. I mean, I don't want this to sound mean. I don't want to, but you shouldn't even be bothering with trying to make money from home. You shouldn't be bothering with it because you're not ready. You're not ready. Because $7 is nothing. You can go collect some cans. You could borrow. I mean, do whatever you got to do to get the $7. I mean, that should not be a big issue. Okay. Especially if you're in the United States. If you're in a tier 1 country, English speaking country, then you don't have $7. You've done something really, really wrong. Okay. There's all kinds of programs out there you start for free or very, very low. But again, if you don't have that mindset, you're not going to do anything with that opportunity. It's not going to matter. So it won't matter if it's $1. It won't matter if it's $1,000. It won't matter because you don't have that mindset of success. You will not be taking the actions you need to take. So that's why I say go check out that book. There's so many resources out there. I mean, just go to YouTube, look up self-development, and you're going to find all kinds of resources that are going to develop your mind into a success mindset. But T. Harv Eker, Secrets of a Millionaire Mind, that is the one that really did it for me. Now, once you get that mind right, you really want to get plugged into something that is going to continue to develop it, okay? So, you're going to want to get mentorship. You're going to want to get, you're going to have someone kind of walk you through the process and coach you and work with you and that kind of thing. And that is what you're going to want to do. So, if that is something, once you get your mind right, you know, and you could also do this ongoing. And I mean, I'm always working on my mindset, always, every single day, because default setting for us is failure, right? Is lack, is negativity. I mean, that's our default setting. We really have to work to change that in us. But if you're looking for a way to make money online for real, you can check out what I do. I just put the link right below. You can get complete coaching, one-on-one coaching for like $1. Okay, so you can check that out. Now, I will be completely honest with you. There are other opportunities that you can go into that are going to pay you very good money, position you to make very good money, but you have to get that mind right. You have to get that mind right, okay? So I hope you got value from this video. I hope I didn't offend you too much. It is the truth. We really need to get our minds right. We need to have success mindset, right? And with that, though, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get that coaching, like I said, it's $1. Find $1 and check it out. Just click the link right below this video. And with that, I'll see you on the next video.